Tmux might be the best duo since Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker, LeBron James and D Wade, yin and yang, peanut butter and jelly. No, but in all seriousness though, these two applications have fundamentally changed the way I code for the better. They have made coding so much more enjoyable, as well as making me want to and do it more. In this video, I'm going to talk about why you should use Neovim and Tmux, give you simple configurations to give you enhanced experience, as well as showcasing some of the features that you might not have known existed. So here is the Tmux configuration I'm using. And for a disclaimer, this is not my own. This is actually made by Omir XX, and I will link to his thing in the description. I just wanted something quick to start, have like a starting point. Kind of the same thing in Neovim. When I get to it, it's the same thing. I just copied LazyVim. But yeah, kind of run through really quickly. So there's prefix A, which for me, it means control A. And you see right here, this color changes, means it's ready to take a command. So if I come in here and press like U, I can open up my URLs, which is a feature I'll show you. And then got base index 1, which instead of starting from 0, start from 1, because it makes more sense since 0 is on the other end of the keyboard. So if you want to switch between them, like if I do this, all I have to do is press 1, 2 to switch between them. And then we got, this one's important. It basically allows me to use Vim, so I can come here and press HJKL and move around really quickly, which is really nice, integrating Neovim and Tmux together. Got some border styles, default terminal colors, fixed terminal settings for my personal thing. I'm using Ghosty. We got a URL, or FCF URL, which is one of the plugins, which I will show again. We got these themes, cat pukin. I'm not exactly sure I say it, but theme configuration, because all it is here, different plugins, and then you have access to be able to customize your Tmux using these plugins. So even like fixing my Neovim navigation, making Neovim work better with the panes in Tmux. Mouse support, turn it on and off. Improve copy mode. Manage panes. Quick pane resizing, session management. And session bind. And yeah, I'll show you that real quick. I'm gonna show you some of the cool features as well. So if I come in here, I'm using the sessionizer, which is right here, Tmux Session X. Basically a improved way to manage your sessions. So if I come here and press Control A and I press Q, I can quickly switch between all my sessions. I can rename them as well. So let's say Hello World. You can see it renames it. You can come in here, Control E. It'll enter the directory that I'm in. I can browse all the files in here. I can type as well to see which one I want. Documents. There's a lot of really cool features, and obviously you click on it, it'll just pull up in a separate, its own session. It's really cool. But then I do this. If I want to like delete and all that, there's commands you can make for it, like keybinds, but I find it easier to just come in here and just type in something. So I can type in kill, and then I forget what it is, what kill session. I can type that in, and now I'm back to other sessions. And one more quick little thing before I show you my Neovim configuration. We're gonna come in here, reset file. So for the reset file, just resetting a lot of the key bindings. So like bind D is to detach, command prompt, rename window, reload the file. You can kind of look at these ones also from the same thing. But yeah, now on to the Neovim configuration, and after that I will show you some of the cool features you can do with both of them. And for our Neovim configuration, I'm just using LazyVim, which is essentially just a IDE similar to Visual Studio Code. Allowing me to easily customize my config and it already comes with plugins, auto commands, key maps, and all that good stuff. And if you want to know what you need to install it, it's everything right here. And in this video, it's very good if you want to walk through on how to get everything set up. Or if you want a quick way and you're tech savvy, you can just come in here and type these commands in and you're ready to go. A couple commands. And if you want to look more at what comes with it, you can look at these configurations, settings, plugins, key maps, and tells you how to change and everything. Now I even have it set up here. This is a init.lua file, which is links to the lazy file, which is right here, showing you the exact thing, adding LazyVim and its importing its plugins. But yeah, that's all it is. And then for this, I'm setting up my own custom Neovim, so I'm starting from scratch. That's work in progress. I will make a video on this very soon. Because LazyVim is basically a way to just start out. You can kind of learn all this stuff and then take away the stuff you don't need. So like this, as for you're used to Visual Studio Code, this looks very familiar. I pull this menu up and I have all these different plugins that I can select, like Harpoon, which allows you to, this is something I personally installed to it. So you can install your own things for now and try them out. And then the end goal is to create your own starting from scratch, kind of uses as a starting point. But yeah, Harpoon, which it allows you to quickly switch between files by pressing like 1, 2, 3, 4 after you set it up. A lot of good stuff. Lazy, which is, I'll show you quickly. Lazy is the plugin manager, which is really nice. Comes with LazyVim as well. Allows you to install, update like these. And the updates, I just come here, press capital U. Updates it. It's very nice. If you have problems, you can clean them, check the files, check the log. It's super nice. But yeah, that's it for that. Now on to the cool tricks you can do with both of them. So the first really cool trick has to do with FZF, and I know this is optional, but I highly recommend getting these three, especially FZF for this specific reason. So you come here and type in FZF Tmux with the argument FZMux, and this allows you to search every single file, and then also changes based on your directory, right? So if I come in here and type in z.conf, and then I type in the FZF command again. Oh, that didn't work how I wanted to. ls. That is how it's supposed to work. But I guess maybe I make it smaller. So let's do z nvim, and then let's try FZF Tmux. Okay, there we go. I can see it's a quick way to just see all your files. Especially if you have a bunch of files, and come here and just click on one, and that just, it doesn't take you into it, but it tells you that it's there. And then another cool thing, there you can find something you're looking for, like a folder or something, using FD, which is also another one. And it tells me every file or folder with nvim in it inside of this directory, which is super helpful, being able to find stuff really quickly. And for the next one, we are going to be using the URL I was telling you about. So I'm going to come in here and just put echo, do that, and then echo for this one as well, .youtube.com. Now I come here, press Control A and U, and now I can just click on here, and that is it open up in here. So it's a really quick way to just open links without having to without having to manually do the work of typing a website and all that. It's just a useful thing if you work in your command line a lot. I find it very useful, and those little seconds matter to me. And then for the last one, it is going to be so I showed you Sessionizer, but I want to show you something else inside of it. Control AQ. I found this feature very helpful. So if I come here and press Control W, I didn't even know I had all of these windows open.
And so, okay, or sessions. So I can just come in here and just close them all. So I can do kill session. And it'll kill that session. I can come in here and kill this session. Just slowly like getting rid of the ones that you don't need. Because it could be taking up space on your RAM or something like that. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.